Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essential files and tools so playback works smoothly. Locate the 360 MP4 or MKV and verify it uses equirectangular projection or contains spherical metadata. This tells the player how to map the video onto a sphere. Install a 360 capable player such as VLC3, X or POT player, or prepare Chrome/Edge with WebGL enabled for web viewers. Once done, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date to avoid stuttering during spherical rendering. Now open the video and configure playback settings so you can look around without issues. Drag the file into the player or use File Open, then enable the player's 360 or spherical mode. This converts the flat equirectangular frame into a navigable sphere. Adjust output settings. Enable hardware acceleration for smoother frame rates, set the aspect to 2, 1 if needed, and pick your decoding thread count. These steps reduce latency and ensure headlocked or free-look controls respond predictably. Finally, interact with the video and resolve common issues so playback completes successfully. Use the mouse drag or arrow keys to pan and tilt. If you have a headset, select the VR output to get head-tracked view. If the image looks distorted or flattened, make sure the file is truly equirectangular and contains spherical metadata. If not, convert or inject metadata with FFmpeg or a 360 converter. If playback drops frames, lower resolution or switch off software decoding until you confirm the GPU handles it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.